In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable features from Windows Security coming up right now. Okay, so this whole adventure is obviously going to land in Windows Security. So to open it up, you can go to this little drop-down menu because it's probably going to be in the hidden icons section. You want to hit that icon, that arrow right here, and then hit that little shield. This is Windows Security. But in this case, we're going to be focusing on the virus and threat protection. This is the kinds of options that I'm going to show in this tutorial what to enable or disable. So let's just go click right here. You could also click right here for virus and threat detection. So there will be a couple options here, and it's very simple to disable everything. So for example, in manage virus and threat protection, all you have to do is hit that manage settings. Right under, you will see a lot of ticks here. Just basically, you want to untick it. You will be asked for admin privileges. You want to hit yes, and then just you could untick this. I do want to warn you, this is unadvised if you do not have a secondary antivirus software, unless you have a specific reason to do so, and you are being quite cautious on the internet. Can get the most of us, so just be safe when you're disabling all of these options, and preferably re-enable it as soon as possible. Now, we have the controlled folder access. This is anyways automatically disabled once you disable real-time here. So once you disable real-time, controlled folder access will also be disabled. Exclusions, we don't even need that at this point because of literally everything being disabled here. It's not going to be searching for it. And notifications, you can also do this, but basically what we're focusing on here is how to disable the virus and threat protection section from Windows Security, and that's basically the entire video. I'm not gonna go through the rest, like firewall and network protection. That will take a bit more time for you. All I'm focusing on here is virus and threat protection here, because that's where all of Windows flags are gonna go. So basically, if you download a file, sometimes Windows Security will flag it. But since we just disabled everything from here, you will not get any of those annoying notifications that you downloaded a virus when it actually turned out not to be one. Now, like I said before, I do not advise disabling your antivirus, Windows Security in this case, unless you have a different software ready to defend you. I would suggest otherwise just going to manage settings here like before and hitting exclusions if you do have any files you would like to exclude. And with that, I want to end this video. Thank you for watching. I hope I have helped you out with anything compared to Windows Security here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the bell's notifications icon if I did help you out. Comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. With that, I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.